Hey there, Rob with Never Too Old. Today we're at the Ensley Nature Preserve. It's Saturday, April 5th. I was on my way home from work and I thought, why not stop and take a little walk? We're going to do the yellow trail, which is the deer trail, and it's 0.91 long, and we'll take you along the way. There's a nice parking area, small playground with the pavilion. Information board and trail. We're following the yellow markers. The yellow trail goes around the outside of the preserve, and there's other trails that cut through the center you can also take. I don't think I mentioned it, but the Ensley Nature Preserve is located near Ensley Center, Michigan. I just met a subscriber, Tim from Big Rapids. Nice meeting you, Tim. They're here with the West Michigan chapter of North Country Trail, helping to clean up this trail, and we appreciate that. I think this would be a really nice little trail in the fall. We're at this little observation area overlooking the swamp. There's plenty of benches to sit on along this trail. So if you're an older hiker that needs to take a few breaks, got a place to sit. I'm not quite sure what this is set up for, but it's here. We're back at the parking lot. That was a nice little hike. I want to give a shout out to Tim from the West Michigan chapter of the North Country Trail Association. He's a viewer and subscriber. Nice meeting you. And remember, you're never too old for adventure, no matter how big or small it may be. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.